Let's crochet the Cornelius pants together. This great pair of cotton pants is very easy to crochet, so it's beginners friendly and very comfortable to wear when lying, crawling, playing or running. Are you ready? You need Friends Cotton 8/4, a crocheting hook 2.5mm or US size 12, elastic band for the drawstring at the waist, and a pair of scissors. All products are linked in the description box, as well as a free download link for this pattern with further information. We start by chaining 46. Please note that all rows are turned with one chain. For row 1, please crochet 1 half double crochet in each stitch, so 46 stitches in total. Please note, don't crochet in the turning chain, but number 2 chain from the hook. For a half double crochet, you have to yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and then pull through all 3 loops on the hook. At the end of the row, remember to turn with the turning chain. For row 2, please crochet 46 half double crochets, and after that chain 45. In total we have 91 stitches, plus a turning chain. Row 3 will consist of 1 half double crochet in all chains, plus all the half double crochets of the previous round. In total, 91 stitches plus 1 turning chain. Crochet your next row, a total of 91 half double crochets. After 3 rows, we're going to change color. And this happens in the last stitch of the row. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, then you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over with the second color and pull through all loops on your hook. This is followed by a turning chain. From now on we will crochet up to row 35 in half double crochets and change our colors with each third row. You can already crochet in the ends already here, that means less work for you at the end. Otherwise, follow this way up to row 35. And remember your turning chains. Row 36 consists of 42 half double crochets, then 2 half double crochets in one stitch. You will do this 4 times, and then turn your work. This means 50 stitches in total, plus a turning chain. Row 37 consists of 1 half double crochet in each stitch. And then piece 1 is ready. You now have to crochet a second leg. Except for the color sequence, the second leg is worked identical to the first one that we've already crocheted together. And here we have 2 finished legs. Perfect! The first row is the middle front, while the last row is in the middle of the back. For joining the 2 pieces, please play leg 1 and leg 2 reversed next to each other. Crochet the pieces together with 1 row of single crochets down the middle front and then along the middle back. Then single crochet the inside of the legs together, starting at the bottom of one leg, going up the leg, along the crotch and down the other leg again. We will now insert a waistband. Along the waist of the pants, you now need to fold approximately 4 centimeters or 1.6 inches down onto the wrong side of the pants. This will become the waistband. Working from the right side, you will now slip stitch through both layers all around, creating a drawstring hem. Now it's time to insert the elastic band and test that it fits. If you struggle to insert the elastic band, then I would suggest you using a safety pin that you attach to the end of the elastic band, and then it's easier to push through or pull the elastic with the safety pin through the drawstring hem. And they're already ready to be used. As you can see, they're perfect to play and romp around. Leave a comment in the comment section below and tell us in which colors you are going to crochet your Cornelius pants. And then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to never miss out a video from us. I hope to see you again for our next video.